Good morning, guys. I left this one running last night. 8 hours 57 minutes it took. So this is version 4 of the train whistle. You'll see this one, we've got the tubes going all the way to the top, and then I've made these pistons. If I can disconnect it, yeah. Which I will put a rod in the end of, and then we can push them in and adjust the length and change the note or tone. So the plan is stick a bit of dowel or bamboo cane or barbecue skewer in the end of each of these, and then slide them in and adjust the tone. I'll probably end up gluing these in eventually. Right, so I think I might go ahead and glue that one on straight away. Right. Okay. Right, they're just in random positions. Okay. Pull that one down a bit. Yeah, we're certainly getting a change in notes. I think what I'll do is I'll wrap a rubber band around here and that will grip it, stop them sliding around. That's a lot deeper. All right, well, clearly that works. Takes a good puff of breath to blow it, but we can adjust the tones by sliding these in and out. I expect if you had a particular tone you were trying to achieve, you could slide it in and out until you get exactly that and then glue them in place. But I shall leave it like that. The spikes on the end to stick in people's eyes. Yeah. Might need to round that off. Yeah, that'll do. So I guess that's sort of a video reply because people were talking about changing the lengths. And I did change the lengths, but I did them in fixed lengths. And now we've got the adjustable one. It's a bit like that bird whistle thing where you could slide it in and out. Well, I suppose I could try and do that. I'll take them back off again. Let's try sliding one in and out. Yeah. Oh, the others have all slipped. Oh, that one's a stiff one. Oh, that one works. I think you get the general idea. I'm running out of puff. Number 4. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.